Are you feeling the cold? Affordable Air Conditioning will have you warmed up in no time. They're the name you can rely on to deliver the best air anywhere for cooling and heating solutions. Established for over 40 years, Affordable Air Conditioning are a specialist Daikin dealer and offer ducted and split installations and high-quality after-sales service so you and yours can stay worry-free and warm this winter. For the best air anywhere, it has to be Affordable Air Conditioning. Visit affordair.com.au.